How to make a grilled cheese sandwich. For a perfect combination, choose a sturdy but soft bread like sourdough, brioche, or Texas toast. Use a melty cheese like sharp cheddar, gouda, American, or mozzarella. For the perfect golden crust, spread a generous amount of mayonnaise on the outside of the bread. Mayo can handle higher heat than butter without burning. This allows for a more even golden brown crust. Place a mix of your cheeses on the unbuttered side of one slice of bread. I chose one slice of mild cheddar and one slice of provolone. Don't overdo it. Too much cheese can make your sandwich soggy. Before you get started, preheat your pan and use a medium-low heat. A lower heat ensures the mayonnaise melts before the bread burns. Low and slow is the trick. Let the sandwich cook on low for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. When it's ready, the bread should be golden and crispy, and the cheese should be completely melted.